Hi guys, this is Prashanta Chaurasia, investment banking intern at inSAKE Solutions. So here I am to share my learnings with you. We have come across various modules across the whole internship, and here are the few I would like to showcase. The first we came across was ratio analysis, where we combined various factors and analyzed those so that we could come across a better valuation system. Then we had security analysis, in which we had fundamental analysis, which looked towards the various aspects of the company so as to make better decision making. And then we had technical analysis, where we generated our views on the basis of charts and pie diagrams. Then we had portfolio management. What was portfolio management? So it was diversifying our investments into various securities so that it minimizes the risks involved in it. Then we learned about investment banking as to how to come to a decision in which company to invest. We learned about financial modeling, forecasting the sales and various other aspects of the companies like profitability, their growth in the companies by looking at their historical costs. Then we came across the equity research report, where I made the report on Sun Pharmaceuticals and how the company is favorable or unfavorable for investment. We learned about merger and acquisitions, private equity report, and venture capital, in which the private firms go to educational institution or various other financial institutions to raise money so that they could fund their company. And overall, the studies and the modules have been helpful to help me delve deeper into the world of finance, and has helped me to make my way easier for entering into the finance world. Thank you.